What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy ships and boats on GTA 5 story mode. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like the video. You will help us a lot. And after that, I got another video over here. You can watch it and you will get loads of money by using this tactic and a fully saved game. So you will get the completed GTA 5 game in story mode. It's done in 2 minutes, try that out. I also got some videos about how to buy cars, how to buy planes, how to buy motorcycles. I've got you covered with everything. So now we will drive to our docks. That is basically here. I will show you guys on the map. I've got it over here, but you can also buy different ones. Like there is another one over here, I believe, and a couple of more. But we will go there now, and I will see you in a bit, guys. So we are almost there, and once we are there, we are going to purchase some boats and ships, so we can have a nice boat trip on the water. As you can see, there are some boats over here, and what we are going to do, we are going to open our mobile phone. So as you can see, we have an internet browser. Go to there and open it. Now we go to travel and transport. Once you go there, you will see a Docties website. Click on it, and here you can see all the boats and ships which are available. Like even they got a jet ski, a tropic boat, a yacht, a wooden yacht. So yeah, basically let's buy this one, this sail ship, the Marquise. And as you can see, oh, I already have this one. Let's check if we can buy another one for the example. Yeah, look, it's ordered. Just spent $17.5 million, but it doesn't matter, we got enough. As I told you, watch the video to get fully loaded with money. And yeah, now we need to wait a minute and then we can pick up our boat. I think if I go a little bit here, yeah, then we can select the wanted boat. So yeah, basically select the boat you bought, and after it you can select it. Once you walk away, it will respawn, and as you can see, there it is. And that is how you buy a boat or a ship in GTA 5 story mode. See you in the next one, guys.